Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to free up space on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to free up storage space on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing is that you just have to simply open your settings app. So very first I recommend you have to go to iCloud, so tap on your Apple ID here and then select iCloud and you have to back up your device. So just tap on save to iCloud option and you just have to make sure that you have backup of your photos, your passwords, and anything else you want to save here. Or if you don't have enough storage into your iCloud, so you can also upgrade your plans for your iCloud and get more storage. So after getting backup, you just have to go back from here. The very first thing, you just have to open your general settings, go for iPhone storage here, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. If you don't have enough storage or you want to delete anything, so you just have a best way that you have to remove unnecessary apps from your iPhone. So if you see that any app is taking more storage on your iPhones, I recommend you have to offload the app, or you can also try to delete app. So here, for example, I'm going to delete this app because it might have 2.85 GB. So I'm going to delete this app completely, or select the app, then select delete app, then select delete. It will completely uninstall the app from your iPhone, and it will free up your storage space. Or you can also select, or you can also upload any app. So for example, in my case, I have TikTok with 1.68 GB. So it might be that there will be a lot of cache files. You just have to open your TikTok app here, then tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again. You can see there's only 653.7 MB app size, but it's including up to 1 GB. So I'm going to offload my app here. So after offloading, I'll be able to reinstall that. So after reinstallation, it will clear all the cache and all some temporary files saved in your TikTok app. So once you have done, just go back from here. You can do this with all of your apps, and after that, go back and you have to go to your Photos app. And Photos app, you have to try to delete your photos, but very first you have to make sure that you have backup of all of your photos. Then you can remove them from your Photos app. Just tap on the select option and select the photos which you want to delete. So for example, I'm going to delete some photos. Once I have selected, tap on this delete option, then tap on delete photos. Once the photos have been deleted, you just have to go to collections and here just select recently deleted and you have to delete all of your photos from here. So once you have deleted them from here recently deleted, it will cause to free up more than space on your iPhone. Or the very thing you can try, you just have to open the settings. Here you have to go for apps and you have to look for your browser. In my case, I have Safari, so I'm going to look for Safari browser here. And once you get here Safari, you just have to select that. Just scroll down and look for the option of clear history and website data. Select that option, then tap on clear history. You just have to select all history from here, then tap on clear history option. It will clear all the history and website data from your iPhone browser. So if there will be any junk files or any cache files or any temporary files stored into your iPhone, it will be deleted in this step, and after that it will free up more than space on your iPhone if you do browsing on your iPhone. After that, you have to try to make a forced restart to your iPhone to make a quick refresh. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, it will cause a quick refresh into your iPhone. So after that, you can make a quick restart or a refresh startup of your iPhone without having any cache files in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.